Eco-friendly paper towels are here for good. Made to replace paper towels that pollute. Ecofullness 100% natural organic paper towels are a household must-have. Heavy-duty strong bamboo kitchen towels. Durable, soft and sustainable. Perforated. Super absorbent sheets. Use our reusable bamboo paper towels over and over and machine washable paper towel substitute. Yep. We made our reusable paper towels washable. Each kitchen roll includes 20 reusable bamboo towels that can be washed up to 200 times and will get even softer over time. Lint-free, tree-free paper towels. Not just for spills. Use these washable paper towels for kitchen or bathroom cleanups at home, or keep a bamboo reusable paper towel roll in your car. Great for all surfaces. Saves more money because one bamboo paper towel can last months. Forget cleaning with regular rolls, switch to our washable paper towel alternative, add to cart. Top reviews from the United States. Greatest on paper towel. I purchased these on paper towels over a year ago and I'm still using the 6 sheets that I pulled off. They are amazing. They are so strong but so soft. My 7-year-old grandson lives with me and he has autism and doesn't talk. His favorite food is canned raviolis. Gross. He does not use silverware, so he is covered head to toe with the red sauce. We were using paper towels to clean him up, but he hated how they felt on his face, so he would fight us. Now I use this product and he stands still and enjoys the attention. The poor towel is completely stained when I'm done cleaning him. I spray Clorox on it, let it sit for a few minutes, rinse it, and throw it in the washing machine. And presto! Good as new. I recommend this product to everyone. If people stopped buying paper towels, there would be a lot less waste in our landfills. And when the towels finally give out, I will put it in my compost bin. Thank you for a great product.